Antibody-drug conjugates represent the future of targeted cancer therapy. These sophisticated molecules combine the precision of monoclonal antibodies with the power of cytotoxic drugs, delivering treatment directly to cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue. With 15 FDA-approved ADCs currently generating over $10 billion annually, the field continues to expand rapidly. However, traditional ADC development faces significant challenges: insufficient high-throughput capabilities, inadequate protein yields, inefficient conjugation methods, and limited imaging technologies. The ADC workflow begins with discovery. Using gene synthesis and high-throughput antibody expression services, researchers can rapidly generate and screen potential antibody candidates. This phase establishes the foundation for successful ADC development, enabling scientists to explore diverse antibody sequences and identify the most promising candidates for further development. In the expression phase, we scale up production using the Gibco XB-CHO expression system. This proven platform consistently delivers transient expression yields of 1 to 3 grams per litre for both antibody and non-antibody proteins. Thermo Scientific Nalgene 5-litre angled flasks. These flasks help enable expression in the 2-litre scale, ensuring sufficient high-quality material for downstream applications. Efficient purification processes then isolate the target antibodies while maintaining their structural integrity and binding specificity. Conjugation represents the critical step where antibody meets drug. Our portfolio facilitates a range of solutions to meet your specific needs. For controlled, site-specific conjugation, our Invitrogen cyclic labeling kits enable attachment at defined sites in the FC region, helping ensure a consistent drug-to-antibody ratio, DAR, of 2 or 4. This innovative approach maintains full antibody functionality and creates stable, homogeneous conjugates that deliver therapeutic payloads precisely to target cells. We also offer traditional amine reactive dyes for robust, flexible conjugation. Furthermore, determining an antibody's suitability for ADC development is crucial. Our Invitrogen lysolite platform is a key tool for this, allowing you to verify if your antibody can be successfully internalized and transported to the lysosome for degradation, a critical mechanism of action for many ADCs. The Invitrogen lysolite DBCO reagent further enables site-specific conjugation to antibodies validated through this assay. The final phase employs high-content analysis using our Invitrogen EVOS and CellInsight imaging systems. The CellInsight CX7 platform delivers exceptional screening capabilities, analysing an entire 96 weld plate efficiently. These sophisticated platforms enable comprehensive assessment of antibody degradation and cell-killing assays, including the critical data needed to optimize ADC performance and therapeutic efficacy. From gene synthesis to final analysis, Thermo Fisher Scientific's comprehensive ADC workflow solutions accelerate your research while maintaining the highest standards of scientific rigor. Growing with the Gibco ADC workflow, advancing development together. To learn more, please visit thermofisher.com/proteinexpression.